pretty obvious here as I'm tilling through the garden. There's quite a bit of leftover stuff from the year's garden, you know, with the different vines, weeds, and grass that grew up. So it's going to take a couple passes to get this done. I mean, really, the fall tillage, we're just trying to get a lot of this stuff tilled under so it can decompose and whatnot before next spring. But we're going to do a couple passes here just to get a good, nice till in and go from there. I think it's pretty obvious. You can see in part of the video here, a lot of this vegetation is wrapping around the tines underneath, and you know, it's not a huge issue, but you want to make sure, you know, if you're doing something like this or where things can wrap around that row of tines there, you want to make sure that it's not, you know, making those bearings underneath there hot, you know, towards the ends of your spindles. So something to keep in mind while you're doing this. As we take a second pass of this, obviously you can tell it's getting it all tilled up underneath it better. But you know, I could do this all day long and sitting on a tractor. There's no work to it, and it's just really time and going from there. But this forward rotation tine tiller does a really good job. You know, obviously the slower you go, the more it's going to till in and whatnot from there. But so far, it does a great job on the gardens and takes all the work out of it.
Thanks again for stopping in, and until next time, this is Kyle signing out.